Hi, I'm Jill Hart, the Coach's Alchemist. I help coaches and spiritual entrepreneurs amplify their voice, monetize their mission, and most importantly, get visible without burning themselves out trying to gain an influencer's following. A big problem most coaches have is visibility. And when you don't feel visible, you start doing all the things, right? Posting on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, thinking about maybe starting a YouTube channel, going on podcasts, or maybe even starting your own podcast. Let's face it, it's exhausting, expensive, and honestly, it starts to feel like, oh my cow, how are you going to keep up with everything? Just one more thing on your plate, right? I know exactly what you're going through because I was in the same spot just about 3 years ago now. I was feeling really invisible online, and I had paid over $10,000 for yet another coaching program that ended up feeling like a glorified life coaching course when I really wanted a business course. And that was my breaking point. So instead of trying to fix myself, I changed my strategy. I pivoted from life coaching and launched a podcast to feature the incredible coaches I was already connecting with. And that became the birth of the You World Order Showcase podcast. Since then, we featured over 600 guests, hit 107 on the entrepreneurial charts of Apple when we relaunched, and now rank in the top 2% globally and have passed over 1.1 million downloads. But the real breakthrough came when I realized something most people miss. Something about a year ago that I discovered about Substack, that it's the perfect visibility platform and it's free for coaches. Whether you're a podcast guest, you have your own show, or just wanting to share helpful content for your ideal clients. And when I introduced school into the mix, ow, that's when everything clicked. I discovered a simple, repeatable visibility system that doesn't require a huge audience or posting content everywhere to attract clients. Make a difference online, and yes, finally earn a living. And that's exactly what I share inside my school community. When you join, you get access to the Monetize Your Mission masterminds that we hold every Monday. This is a true mastermind, though we have a subject that we cover. Everything is based on who shows up and what they're doing. And it gets you visibility for what you're offering because we spotlight everybody. Daily boost thread where you can share your content and actually get likes and comments and shares so you grow your community. And a quick start guide to set up your Substack profile and newsletter in the right way right from the start. Imagine having one platform that replaces chasing algorithms, saves you time and money, and actually supports your message in a way that other social media platforms can't. It gives you back your life, your energy, and space to enjoy your life again. And if you're ready to stop trying to be everywhere and start using a system that actually works with you instead of against you, click the join group button and we'll see you on the inside.